Make your aging neck look much younger. Number 10. Protect your neck from sun damage. Applying sunscreen consistently to your neck is paramount in preventing premature aging. The delicate skin on the neck is often exposed to the sun and is prone to damage from harmful UV rays. Sunscreen acts as a barrier, protecting the skin from the sun's damaging effects, including sunspots, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously, ensuring complete coverage on the neck and décolletage. This simple yet crucial step not only helps prevent further damage, but also supports the overall health and appearance of the skin, contributing significantly to a more youthful-looking neck over time. Number 9. Hydration and Moisturization. Hydration and moisturization are fundamental aspects of maintaining a youthful neck. Adequate water intake keeps the skin hydrated from within, promoting elasticity and suppleness. In addition to internal hydration, using a high-quality moisturizer externally is essential. Look for products containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, which attract and retain moisture in the skin. Regular moisturization helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and prevents dryness, fostering a smoother and more youthful texture. Make this a consistent part of your skincare routine, applying moisturizer to your neck and décolletage both morning and night for a comprehensive approach to combating the signs of aging. Number 8. Neck exercises. Incorporating neck exercises into your routine can be a beneficial and proactive approach to enhance the appearance of your neck. Just as regular workouts tone muscles throughout the body, targeted neck exercises can strengthen the muscles in the neck and improve overall neck contour. Simple exercises such as gently tilting your head back and forth and side to side, or doing neck stretches can help prevent sagging and promote a more defined neck profile. These exercises stimulate blood circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage, which can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant complexion. Number 7. Collagen-Boosting Skincare. Choosing collagen-boosting skincare products can be a game-changer for rejuvenating the appearance of your aging neck. Ingredients such as retinoids, peptides, and vitamin C are renowned for their ability to stimulate collagen production. Retinoids, derived from vitamin A, encourage cell turnover, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Peptides act as building blocks for collagen, promoting skin firmness and elasticity. Vitamin C, with its antioxidant properties, not only brightens the skin but also supports collagen synthesis. Number 6. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation is a crucial step in the quest for a more youthful neck. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, promoting cell turnover and revealing fresh, radiant skin beneath. This process not only helps in minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but also enhances the effectiveness of other skincare products. Opt for a gentle exfoliator specifically formulated for the delicate neck area, as the skin there is thinner and more sensitive. Exfoliate your neck once or twice a week, being mindful not to overdo it to avoid irritation. Number 5. Firming creams. Firming creams tailored for the neck area can be valuable allies in the pursuit of a more youthful appearance. These creams often contain potent ingredients like peptides, retinol, or niacinamide, which work to enhance the firmness and elasticity of the skin. Peptides, in particular, contribute to collagen production, aiding in the maintenance of skin structure. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, promotes cell turnover and helps reduce the visibility of fine lines. Niacinamide, or vitamin B3, supports the skin barrier function and can contribute to a smoother texture. When incorporated into your daily skincare routine, these firming creams can provide targeted care to address specific aging concerns, leaving your neck feeling more supple and appearing visibly rejuvenated. Number 4. Healthy lifestyle choices. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a foundational element in the battle against neck aging. A nutrient-rich diet packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals provides essential building blocks for skin health. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish and flax seeds, can contribute to skin hydration and elasticity. Additionally, avoiding habits like smoking is crucial, as smoking accelerates the aging process and diminishes collagen production, leading to premature sagging and wrinkling of the skin. Number 3. Posture. Paying attention to your posture can have a surprising impact on the youthful appearance of your neck. Maintaining good posture by keeping your head up and shoulders back not only supports spinal health, but also helps prevent the development of neck wrinkles and sagging. Poor posture, such as frequently looking down at electronic devices, can contribute to the formation of horizontal lines on the neck, often referred to as tech neck. By consciously practicing proper posture and incorporating neck stretches into your routine, you can reduce strain on the neck muscles and promote a more lifted and refined contour. Number 2. Non-surgical procedures. Exploring non-surgical procedures is an advanced yet effective step in addressing aging concerns on the neck. Dermatological treatments like laser therapy, ultrasound therapy, and radiofrequency therapy can stimulate collagen production, tighten loose skin, and improve overall skin texture. These procedures are minimally invasive and typically require little to no downtime. Laser treatments target specific skin concerns such as sun damage and discoloration, while ultrasound and radiofrequency therapies use heat to stimulate collagen production, promoting a more lifted and youthful appearance. Number 1. Cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery, specifically a neck lift, is a more comprehensive option for individuals seeking a significant and long-lasting improvement in the appearance of their aging neck. A neck lift, also known as lower rhytidectomy, involves removing excess skin and tightening the underlying muscles to address sagging and wrinkles. This surgical procedure provides a more dramatic transformation, particularly for those with more advanced signs of aging. It is essential to consult with a board-certified plastic surgeon to discuss your goals, assess your candidacy for the procedure, and understand the potential risks and recovery process. While more invasive than non-surgical options, a neck lift can offer remarkable results, creating a smoother, more contoured neck profile and enhancing overall facial harmony. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.